Så først og fremst vil jeg takke alle som har hatt muligheten til å komme I dag. Det har tatt en del tid. Mange har kommet fra utlandet, noen har kommet fra Uganda, noen har kommet fra Belgia og litt overalt I Norge. Jeg vil takke alle sammen. Det betyr utrolig mye for meg, og jeg håper dere alle sammen har en veldig fin natt. Oya sinovyuba ukakungenda nakushimye Imana wamaye byose Ikiza wangaliye birandegeye None mana yanje.
What I want to tell you is that you chose God. You took salvation, you accepted Jesus, and I know that yes, we've been with you from day one, go to church and everything, but I mean, the choice that you took, the step that you took was from your heart, it was from your choice, and we are here to support your choice and to guide you. I love the fact that you love God, I love the fact that you sing in church, I love the fact that you pray, I love the fact that you encourage us. Because we encourage you, so you also learn to encourage us. I remember the time it's something that happened, and it's like, oh, mommy, you know, there's always a reason as to why things happen. And it will pass, and there's nothing that happens that
But Kisha, you're so beautiful. We love you. You are our firstborn, and you have always been there for us. I remember sometimes you take responsibility with your siblings and tell them what they're supposed to do. So when you are around, I feel safe. You take responsibility. You are smart. You know, she's amazing because sometimes she says that, but Dad, you know, this one is this one is supposed to be this. I've been writing some thesis and she says you have to do this, that. You know, she has been my co-driver. Well, you know, I don't know. She's so amazing. I'm not saying this because she's only my daughter, but I'm saying this because she deserves it. We have tried to do the best we can for you, Kisha, and I hope you appreciate this, and it's anything that a parent would wish the kids to have. We love you, we cherish you, and don't think this is the last thing we can do for you. We know that we love you from the bottom of our heart.
Takk til alle vennene mine som kom, og alle jentene som har sittet ved siden av meg. Og stor takk til mamma og pappa, spesielt mamma som har planlagt det her I flere måneder, og var I lokalet til I dag klokka 7 fra dagen før. Ja, det egentlig alt. Og så vil jeg takke alle som var her fra dagen og til morgenen, og hjelpe til med å dekorere, og blomster og alt sammen. Mukiza wa
I want all of you to say, Kisha, we wanna party.
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 DJ, let's go.
Like the way Cynthia they do. Johnny give Uche belle. He talk say he want marry nene. Walk him kedi peneme. Johnny Mo, I'm looking for my Johnny. Yeah. Where is my Johnny? Johnny Mo. Do you know Johnny? Question. If I know see my Johnny, I'm looking for my Johnny. I'm looking for my honey. You're telling me this, you're telling me that. I say this is not for me. Johnny do me conny. Johnny do me conny. He's doing me this, he's doing me that. But I know what's him on me. He go Canada, he go Tokyo. Yesterday he say he de Morocco. He dance the sicko, he sing a willow. Na lie, na Pinocchio. This one na go be. Original go be. See what I like.
But again, I want to thank everyone here. You look so good, amazing. Your presence means a lot to us as a family.
سماي ذكري